Hello children, welcome to GK class. Children, do you know how many days are there in a week? Yes, 7 days. And what are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Good. And each day has 24 hours. And each day is divided into day and night, more or less 12 hours day and 12 hours night. Today we are going to study about day. Take your book, turn to page number 93. Look at this picture. This is a picture of day, and down this is a picture of night. In the morning, when you get up from your bed, what do you see? You see the sun is rising. Day is bright and full of light. Why? Because during the day the sun shines, and during the day we can do lots of activities. I'll show you some pictures. During the day we can work. See this picture. Farmers are working in the field. People are repairing electrical wire to get the electricity. During the day we can play. See, players are playing football. Down, some children like you are playing cricket. During the day we can enjoy the nature. See, she is enjoying the beauty of the nature. Children, দিনের বেলায় এছাড়াও আমরা আরো অনেক রকমের কাজ করে থাকি। Now, what do we do at night? Yes, we all sleep. Look at the picture. See, a child like you is sleeping at night. Now children, what you can see during the night? We can see hundreds of stars at night in the night sky. We can see the beautiful moon. See, children, during the festivals like Durga Puja, Diwali, Jagadharti Puja, we can see beautiful lightings in the city and also in your locality. Children, since we work and do lot of activities during the day, so we become tired and we need to take rest, and therefore at night we all sleep, so that again next day when the sun shines and the day is bright, we can start our work again. Children, that is why we need the both day and night, right? Yes. Thank you.